In this section, we are going to create the edge alignment for main road and the secondary road. These edge alignments are used to create the junction and also create the curb returns. Right. So to do that, I am going to follow few methods. I will tell you 3 methods, so you can use either of these methods. So we are assuming that our two roads have 4-meter lane widths for both roads. So first one, to create the edge alignment, I am going to follow offset alignment method. So to do that, I go to Home tab and I go to Alignment, then go to Create Offset Alignment, and I'll select this alignment, and this is my offset alignment I will create throughout this road. So my width would be 4 meter either side. So in this case I am removing this option. So if this is inside it, if it is turned on inside your Civil 3D, please turn it off because we are going to set up the profiles later. So I go to General tab and we are not going to change anything, and I am going to click OK now. So it will create us the two offset alignments representing the edge of the road. So in the similar manner, I will create the offset alignment for these two as well. Before going to the secondary road edge alignments, I need to make sure where the secondary road stops at the edge, because we have this curb return turning from this two sides. So what I do is I will be XREFing my layout to find out that location. So I'll type XREF in my command line and I'll press enter, then go to attach drawing, and here you have this intersection layout which we created earlier, that is our XREF. So I click OK and make sure these settings are like this and click OK. So you have my layout like this. So we have to stop our main road edge alignment somewhere here in both sides. So I click close this one. So this time, to get the offset profile, I will follow a different method. So I click this one and go to offset alignment, and this is 4 and this is 4. This time this is starting from the bottom side or the southern side and going up. So my start is okay, but for the end I will stop somewhere here. So to get the object snap, I will go to end object snap is on. I turn on my object snaps and I will get this end, and both these ends are same because of the symmetrical behavior. So I'll click this point. Now it will be creating my offset alignment up to this point, because after that we will have this curve or the curb return alignment. So I click OK. Now you can see both sides now completed. So you can see here this side and this side are completed, and for the secondary road also both sides now completed. So if you want to extend this offset alignment, you can use this script to extend it. So I'm not going to extend it, I'll press escape. So that is how to create the edge alignment using the offset alignment method. So another way to create this edge alignment is to create the edge alignment using normal alignment tools. So what we can do is you can create a polyline along this edge and convert it to a alignment. So this time what I am going to do is I am not going to create a polyline here. Instead, I am extracting this polyline from the XREF. So to do that, we type NC to get the N copy or nested copy option. I'll type NC. Then I click all these lines at once so that I get all these alignments, all these lines into the drawing. Then I press enter again, and press enter again 3 times. All these alignments will be back in this, all these polylines will be back coming into the drawing. So what I do now is I am going to create alignment from object. So I select this object and make it to a alignment. Press enter. Now it is asking the direction. It is going from this way to this way. I accept that direction, and I am going to convert it to alignment. So I am not going to add any curves here. I will erase the existing entities after creation of the alignment. So my alignment name is main road LHS, and I'll click OK. So you will see your main road LHS is created. So you can convert it into a offset style and click OK like earlier. Earlier when we are creating the alignment, edge alignments using offset alignment, we didn't use the name for the offset alignment because we automatically got the name from the offset alignment. But this time you have to get the alignment name. You have to type the alignment name by yourself. So now I am going to do the same for the right side. So I go here, create object, alignment from object. I'll click somewhere here and press enter. Then my direction would be this one. I accept that direction, and this time it is main road RHS, and this time I will change the style up front and click this, uncheck this option and check this option to delete the entity after creation of the alignment. I click OK. Now I have that alignment. So if you click here, you can see I have this main road RHS. So in the similar manner, you can create edge alignments for the secondary road as well. In that case also you have to give the respective names for this edge alignments. So that is how to create the edge alignments for the main road and secondary road of the intersection.